In this video lesson, you'll discover how to paint in watercolor using the wet-on-dry Alla Prima painting technique.
I will continue painting the same object, an apple, this time in Alla Prima. First, I will make a quick sketch in graphite pencil on watercolor paper. Alla Prima is an Italian term which means from the first attempt. It is a fast and efficient way of making a painting. This is especially true for watercolor because it is a fast-drying medium. Before applying paint on paper, I mix the necessary color on the palette. When it comes to painting in watercolor, there is no one strict rule of how to use the Alla Prima technique. An artist may start with the light areas of an artwork and then continue to darker tonal values. It is also possible to develop the whole artwork simultaneously, painting its different areas in quick succession without finishing any particular places before others. If you follow this method, the whole artwork develops at the same time. But the technique which I will show you in this video lesson is a bit different. Because I am painting just one small object, an apple, it is also totally acceptable to develop the artwork, painting it bit by bit in the full strength, gradually expanding the painted area. Alla Prima is the most advanced technique. Above all, it demands proficient painting skills, good control of paint flow, ability to simultaneously judge tonal values and colors, good knowledge of art materials, and planning the sequence of painting steps well in advance.